Hi students. Looking at Brown Eyed Girl, the actual arrangement that I'm using it shows the strum that a lot of people at first have difficult with. And now the chords are a measure each, and the strum, as shown at the top, is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. And it's very cleverly written to the beat. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, if you were counting in 4/4. Let me put the metronome on, and in a very slow beat, the way it should be played, this island strum or calypso strum would be let me turn a little volume up. And then the way I suggested we could play it would be just the shuffle strum. Let me demonstrate. So the way it's written is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And it would be, hey, where did we go? Days when the rain came down by the hollow, like that. That's the now. An alternative to that for beginners would be just and that's down, down, up, down, down, up. Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game. So there's two ways we can go about playing this. Now that shuffle strum is the same strum we do for Monster Mash. Except Monster Mash, it's 2 measures. I was working in my lab late one night when my eyes monster and out he did the mash, the monster mash, etc. We also do that for What's Up and another song also. We do that same strum. But try both. If you can get the shuffle strum, the muscle memory will take over, and then all you have to worry about are the chords. And that's at a slow speed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have fun.